Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a super common frustration. Why won't Zelle accept your card? Especially with updates rolling out in 2025, this issue might hit even more users. If you've ever stared at that error message on your screen, feeling stuck, don't worry, I've got you covered with clear explanations and fixes. First off, Zelle is a handy app for quick money transfers, but it doesn't play nice with every card. One big reason your card might get rejected is the type. Zelle typically only accepts debit cards linked to a US bank account. Credit cards? They're often a no-go due to fraud prevention rules. So, double-check if you're trying to add the wrong kind. Another culprit could be bank compatibility. Not all banks are partnered with Zelle yet, and with 2025 bringing potential expansions, some might still be left out. If your bank isn't on the list, that's probably why. Head to the Zelle website or app to verify if your financial institution is supported. Security settings are a major factor too. Banks ramp up protections, like requiring two-factor authentication or flagging unusual activity. If your card has restrictions or hasn't been verified properly, Zelle will block it. Make sure to review your bank's app or website for any holds or verification steps. Technical glitches can also be the villain here. Outdated app versions or temporary server issues might cause rejections. Always update Zelle to the latest version. 2025 might introduce new features that fix these bugs. To fix this, start by confirming your card details are accurate in the Zelle app. If that doesn't work, contact your bank directly. They can unlock or verify your card. And remember, with 2025's upcoming changes, keep an eye on Zelle's announcements for smoother integrations. There you have it. Simple reasons and solutions to get your card accepted. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips. Drop your experiences in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.